Ka jingpynsangeh ya ka jingtrei JJM kalong ha baroh kawei keri India. Kumba kalong mentah klam pelai pisah ke sorkar pdeng ya baroh ki jela kumba kalong mentah kan ye kamdei tang ya ke jela Meghalaya marwei. O menteri rangba ke jela konrad ke sangma ha bakran kilat pathai kubor mendagasngi ka khandai trik no pra arajar urusan loong ba ki bel basa baroh ha baroh kawei keri kelak batpoi sya ka shilak klur ha baroh ki jela ha keri. Kani kejingjia kalong halor kawei kejing shisha baga skim sam JJM kedai bankut ha kalai huwe luber arajar upsau pada bapai ubnaya yong arajar upsau kini ke skim kakut no hadin kata ke kabinet jang ke sorkar kalarai ban betang biang ya kini ke skim ya karai leshim ha ubnaya naiwing ban no pra hendrai kalong halor kawei ke kendan baha ban lit jurip ya borok ki skim ki bala pentrei ha borok kawei ke India bat anda ledep kin sapelat ya kepisah.
JJM has been stopped at the central level for all state governments. So there is no fund being released to any state as of now. So not just Meghalaya, but the whole country. So maybe 1 lakh crore plus of bills are pending for different states. Now this is happening because of one simple fact, that the JJM was a mission mode program, which was supposed to end in March 2024. And hence, in the cabinet, this decision was made, Government of India, cabinet decision was made. And therefore, automatically, since it was, when April came, JJM ceased to exist. Finance department did not have any provision to continue giving funds for JJM because it was supposed to close in March 2024. And hence, without a cabinet decision to revert or to change that decision of closing JJM by March 2024 had to be taken by cabinet, not by finance ministry, not by Jal Shakti ministry, but by the cabinet, which then took place in the month of November or December, where government said we will extend it further till the projects that are going on right now are concluded. So that gave the scope for finance department then to go ahead with the processing of the programs that were post or bills that came post March 2024. Now the problem in that happened again was that the cabinet also put a condition that there will be an audit that will be conducted for all the schemes that are being implemented throughout the country. And only once the audit is completed for all the schemes, only then the finance ministry, based on that, will then release the funds. So that audit is happening in some places, it's complete. And so once that is done, then finance ministry will start releasing the funds. So therefore, it's not in the state of Meghalaya alone, it is the whole country. But we do expect that things will be streamlined. The decisions have been made. The question is just the final implementation is going on of the audit that was mandated by the cabinet, Government of India.